So I decided I'll treat myself to a new metal folder to help me with the E30 project that I'm doing. So I got this off Amazon. I think it was about 80 quid. Fucking hell, it's heavy. So I don't know why they have these like this. Like, I don't know why they don't have like a flat piece in there. You'd think it would grip better. I don't know, maybe it's stronger like that, but I found when I've used one before, tightening it up, it's like flattened it out and then it doesn't grip in there properly. Maybe this, I don't know, it might be stronger. I'll just have to see. I don't know what kind of people have got making these things, I don't know. Just can't get the staff these days, can they? Look at that shit welding. Fucking hell. So I've got a bit of plate and I've just put that in there like that. I'm going to tighten these up underneath. Alright then. Just the job. I still can't get over these welds and the splatter all over. Fucking look at that. Terrible. But it does the job. So that's my new folding machine. And I'll be using that on the BMW E30 project.